Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny and this is Creating Crafts with Jenny. And currently I am on my way to finishing up my current paint by number, which is a paint by number that the company houseofart.uk sent to me, and I'm finishing that up. So I will show a lot of footage of that, and I enjoyed painting that. So I will show that here in just a minute. So yeah, I enjoyed it. The paints were very nice, and because it was very small, I had a lot of opportunity to go over all the sections as many times as I wanted to. I had a great opportunity to white out using the water and alcohol concoction that I came up with years ago, and I did a preliminary patent on it. I didn't go all the way through with it because the patents are very expensive, but I did do a preliminary, and that was kind of fun. But anyway, and so yes, so I will run some footage on me painting throughout that. I did not film where I did the whole background. I think that filming that part is really kind of boring. There's a couple times where I was painting and I thought I was filming and I wasn't. I know. So anyway, I will show you what I've got and we'll go from there. So here you go. All right, so there you go with that. And so I hope you enjoyed this House of Art.uk painting. I enjoyed their painting, and I would recommend that you go out and check out their website and buy some of their paintings. Yeah, I would. All right, so I'm going to get off here and do some things with the family. And what do I always tell you guys? Go out there. Be absolutely awesome. Do your thing, and I'll see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.